I think Uthando Nesthembu season 7 will get more streams out of all the 7 seasons of Uthando Nesthembu, and I'll tell you why I'm saying this in just a second. Mseleku just revealed number 5, and I've noticed that people are not sure whether it's really number 5 or Mseleku is just seeking attention. Well guys, Mseleku doesn't really need to trend to be relevant, so hear it from me. This is number 5, and if you don't believe me, let's analyze this picture together. Firstly, this is the Mseleku house. I mean, we've all seen the paint on his walls and tiles on the floor, which proves that this picture was taken in his house Mzumbe. So that one is clear. And now that we're all sure that this is Mseleku's house, I want you guys to think like this. In his house, where his wives and children stay, I don't think that Mseleku would disrespect his wives and children and be so close with someone who is not his wife. Secondly, the caption of the post. The caption of the post says, Bahamba Tina Sosala Singeng, which is a song that got him in trouble in the past season with Mayeni, when Mayeni and Mangwabe told Musa that they leave if he takes a 5th wife. And come on guys, because Ngumzulu will sing this song for you. It's okay, let's move away from that. Musa sang the song on diary sessions. Then him and Mayeni had a huge fight afterwards, where Mayeni threatened Musa about leaving since Musa is not taking her seriously when she said that she'll leave. So my point with this song is that Musa would never post this kind of a picture and write such a caption if this was not his 5th wife. So as I've said earlier, that this is going to generate a lot of streaming numbers for Uthando Nesthembu season 7, as people will go to watch Uthando Nesthembu thinking that they're going to find out whether Musa took a 5th wife or not. I know that most of you guys know this, but I'll break it down for those who don't know. Guys, this will depend on when this picture was taken. If the picture was taken, let's say 5 to 10 months ago, then we can probably see the 5th wife in this season. But if it was taken yesterday or a month ago, then we won't be seeing her this season. We'll only be able to see on season 8. Uthando Nesthembu and many other reality shows are short months before airing on TV. So I hope that one is clear. Now, as much as Musa might have taken a 5th wife, there are high chances and possibilities that this picture was just posted to attract viewers toward the show. And me never fails. I believe that Musa has finally decided to take a 5th wife after watching Uthando Nesthembu season 7. And so Musa might have decided to take things out of the closet because it has now become clear to him that Mangwabe is only in this marriage physically. Her heart and emotions left a long time ago. But then, those are just my thoughts. Do share your thoughts also in the comment section and let me know what do you think about this particular topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, and TikTok. And this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.